Hi, my name's Bakerable, and to kick off summer, we're going to be making a lemon meringue pie. For your first step, you're going to want to whisk together 5 egg yolks. To do that, you have to crack an egg over one bowl and just move the yolk back and forth between the 2 shells. After you think you've got most of the white out, put the yolk into one and dump the egg white into another. Don't throw these egg whites out because you are going to need them later in the video. You can now whisk together your yolks, then set them aside. You're now going to want to take a medium saucepan and put in 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally 1.5 cups of water. You're now going to whisk this all together until combined. You're then going to want to turn your heat up to medium and then bring to a boil. Make sure you're constantly stirring. Once your mixture has started to boil, you can just simmer it down to about medium-low heat. It should resemble the consistency of cream of wheat. After you let your mixture simmer for about 2 minutes, you can take it off the heat and put about half of it into your egg yolk mixture to help temper it. After you've done that bit by bit, you're going to want to just stir it, keep stirring it until they're all mixed together well. And then you're going to want to pour that back into your main mixture. Stir it all together. And then bring it back to a boil on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now that it's started to boil, you can take it off the heat. You can pour in 1/2 cup of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, which is the skin of a lemon ground up, and 2 tablespoons of butter. You can now mix that all together. You can now fill a pie crust with lemon filling. We'll leave a link in the description below on how to make this crust. And pour 1/3 cup of cold water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a small saucepan. Then whisk together until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. After you've done that, you can turn up the heat to medium-high. You're now going to want to mix together 1/2 cup of sugar plus 2 tablespoons and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Then set aside. Beat together 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 5 egg whites, which we got at the beginning of the video, with a blender. After you're done that, you can add your cream of tartar mixture into your egg whites mixture, spoonful at a time, and then turning on your mixture. until you have no more of your tartar mixture left. The peaks, it should form soft peaks when you're done. You're now going to want to add your cornstarch mixture, and you're going to want to beat the meringue at high speed until it can form hard peaks. And there we go, the meringue is now done. Now is a perfect time to preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. When you're making your meringue, please remember, when you're putting in the cream of tartar, make sure you're doing it 1 spoonful at a time, because if not, it will completely ruin your meringue. Now you're going to want to take your pie that you set aside, and you're going to want to put that meringue on top. After you finish spreading your meringue all over the top, you can take a spoon and press down and up just to make these little peaks. After you've done that, you can then take your pie and put it into your preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the peaks on the meringue are golden brown. The pie just came out of the oven and it looks great. It's now time for the taste test. Delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.